Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting topic for you all, as some of my subscribers do request that I make a tutorial on how to make a reference for a ballpoint pen drawing. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome and feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back, and let's get straight into this video. So when you want to make a drawing for like a pen reference, what I do is I have an app that is called Snapseed. This is the app I normally do use to edit my reference for my pen drawing. So what I do is I click on the app. If you don't have the app, you can easily find it on Google Play Store. It is called Snapseed. So when I come here, I click on this plus icon. Then I can go over and look for a picture. In this tutorial, I'm going to use my personal picture. So okay, I'm going to use this. So I'm going to use this for this tutorial. So what I do first is, before you make your drawing, your reference in form of that is a blue tone reference, because we are dealing with pen. If you are a pencil artist, you just change it to a black and white, just like this. For pencil artists, you change it to this and you are good to go. But for pen artists, what you do is that you will not start editing this picture right away. You have to convert it to a black and white. You click on this mark, you save it, then you click on and open this tools icon. Then you come to curve on my screen here, click on it. Then in this curve, this is where all your editing are going to be done. This first icon here, you click on it, it's going to show you the different tone that you need to make your reference look like a pen drawing, so that when you want to shade with your pen, it will be easy for you to know the lightness, the middle tone and the dark tone in your reference drawing. So what I do is I normally do come to blue, click on, that's the first thing I usually do. Then I raise this up, you can see it's already turning blue. Then I leave it like somewhere close to okay, looks natural. Then I go back to this first icon here, I click on red so that I can reduce the redness in it. I don't want it to be red, you can see it's having more blue in it. I come back, I click on green. I'm not sure you will do too much with green, you just have to check. And when you are doing this, have like a previous pen drawing beside you that you can use as a guide to know the tone, how the tone of your pen is. You can see as I'm moving this green, you can see it turning to another color, so I have to take it back. I want something natural. Okay, it's okay this way. Then this last one in luminance, this luminance is basically how deep or how light you want your reference to be. If I take it down, you can see that it's becoming too dark, especially in the dark areas. You just have to lift it up a little bit. I think it's okay this way. Then this RGB is 3-in-1. It contains the red, green and blue. I click on it, you can see it becoming more lighter. I need it to be a little bit darker. Okay, I think this is okay. Then what I do is I'll be like making these settings one after the other until I find a perfect true to life blue reference. Then if I reduce this my blue graph here, as you can see, like this is a very perfect result. So it's as simple as that. Just come here and tweak the graphs here and try to make sure that it looks very real to a ballpoint pen drawing. I come to this again, I try to at least, then let me close it and see how it is. Okay, as you can see, it looks really nice. Then I have to mark it to save. Then I come to tune image, just to give it some little touches. I can increase the brightness just a little bit, like that is plus 19. The contrast, let's take it to minus 15. This is a very good contrast. Then there's no need for salutation. I have to take it back to black and white. Then this ambience, you can see this is not good enough. Can bring it, okay, let's say minus 40. Okay, minus 40 is very okay. Then the highlights, you can, let's increase. If you increase it, you can see that it's not too okay. Just leave it in minus 9. Shadow, just some dark area. We need some dark area. As you can see, it looks very okay. Minus 20. Okay, minus 21 is okay. Then for the warmth, you don't really need anything. So with all of this, my reference for my pen drawing is already set. I just have to zoom in and you can see that everything is already turned blue. You can see the dark part, the light part. You can see the shadows in the eye, in between the ears, and every other thing that you need basically in a pen reference. So with this, I hope that we can all edit our drawing, our reference, into a very good blue toned picture for our pen drawing. And now that our reference is in blue, the best thing for us to see the original and the edited picture is just to tap on the screen and hold it for a long time. You can see this is the original. I leave the screen. This is the edited work that we do for our reference. Original and the edited. And once you're done with that and you're okay with your editing, just click on export and save. So your reference is already saved into your gallery and ready for you to use for your drawing. So I hope I've been able to solve your problem. If after this tutorial you don't still understand about this editing tool, you can reach out to me in the comment. You can just drop a comment. I will personally respond to your comments and see how we can both grow together. So thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.